In partnering with NAES, we've been able to put together a TK Pro NAES suite. Here, you'll see a quick demonstration of how quickly you can make a lockout tagout and a hot work permit inside of TK Pro. This corporate package utilizes all of NAES's existing procedures and forms electronically. With essentially the same forms across the board to create this suite, we've been able to bring down the cost of the application significantly. In addition to using all of NAES's forms and procedures, TK Pro can also link to SAP, Maximo, MainSaver, or any CMS you're utilizing to automatically populate your work order information. With the TK Pro NAES suite, not only do you get the lockout, tagout, and hot work permit modules, but in addition to that, you also get the job hazard analysis, safe work permit, and even the confined space permit. After already receiving corporate approval from NAES, your NAES site is ready to go when you choose TK Pro.